Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. So this is a newly launched entry level to kind of mid-range Samsung tablet. So this comes at a price of about 18,000 in normal days, and during the sale it was available for around 17,000 rupees. I was able to grab it for about 13,000 rupees by exchanging one of my old tablets, which was the Galaxy Tab 2. So let us go ahead, unbox this. I'll cut the seal right here. So on the box, the price quoted is about 21,000, but it's available for 17,000 during the sale and around 18,000 in regular days. So here is the Galaxy Tab A7 itself. So here is the tablet itself. We'll keep it to the side and we'll see what else do we get inside the box. So, okay. So here we have some quick start guide and the warranty card, as well as some SIM ejector tool. We also have our wall adapter, which is 5 volts at 1.55 amps, so around 7.58 watts. And this should be the Type-C cable. Yes, this is indeed the Type-C cable. Let us now take a closer look at the tablet itself. So it's in this bag. So here is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Like, it feels quite light and also quite thin. So let me give you a physical overview. On the back we have our camera. I believe this is an 8 megapixel camera. On the left hand side we have 2 speakers. On the right hand side again we have 2 speakers, the Type-C port and a microphone. On the top we have our power lock and unlock button, volume rockers, and what looks like another microphone. And on the bottom we have our SIM tray as well as the micro SD card tray. This is actually the Wi-Fi version, so this does not have a SIM card. This will only take a micro SD card. And also, like, on the right bottom we have our 3.5 audio jack. Right. So in later part of this video I'll set it up and talk more about the tablet. I have completed the initial setup of this tablet now, and maybe we can have a look at the display quality and the sound quality. Actually, while giving you guys an overview of the hardware, I figured out that there's actually a scratch near the headphone jack. I don't know why it is there. RIP quality control. Anyways, let's look at the Android version with which it ships. So as you can see, it's Android version 10. And it runs with the One UI version 2.5. I'll play a video on YouTube, one of my videos, and we can get an idea of the sound quality as well as the intensity of the speakers. And we need to supply a Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.2 or a 3.0 charger to enable fast charge on this. We'll keep the box to the side and close. Okay, let's place our phone. So initial impressions, the sound quality is very good. It's very loud and very clear, as it should be, because it has stereo speakers. So in total it has 4 speakers, so that's a good thing. And even the display quality seems to be fine. It features a 10.4 inch Full HD display, which also in my initial impressions looks good. And yeah, I guess that would be it, guys, for this video. If you have any questions about this tablet, or if you want me to make a review of this, do let me know about it in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to make a video about it. And if there are any questions, again, I'll answer those in the comments. If you want to purchase this tablet, the Best Buy link to Amazon would be in the description. Do use that link, as it does help the channel. That would be it, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.